Welcome. This is solar wiring diagram for off-grid installation. We have our solar panel, we have our charge controller, we have our battery, and we have our inverter. These are the four major components of solar energy plant. This particular off-grid diagram that you're seeing here is you can actually do it yourself. It's a DIY type of design where you can install yourself, because it's not much, because you're not actually um, using much load on this. And the particular this kind of this thing can vary from 0 to 2 kilowatts. So let's see. We have our solar panel, we have our charge controller, as we say, and we have our battery, and we have our inverter. So the black and red line that you see represents our wiring. The black wiring is a negative, while the red wiring is positive. So you will see that the wire runs from the solar panel, because at the back of the solar panel it's been indicated positive and negative. So the positive wire will run from the solar panel positive to what? To the charge controller positive. The negative wire we run from the solar panel negative, indicated at the back, and run down to where it indicated negative on the charge controller. You do the same thing wiring down to you connect the positive to the positive charge side of the battery, you connect the negative to the negative side of the battery, and you do the same to the inverter. Automatically, when you see this type of wiring, you know that definitely is an off-grid, whereby the solar panel converts the solar energy into electricity, whereby the charge controller will actually regulate and control the amount of charges that can enter into our houses or store. The battery is there for us to store energy in terms of when we want to use it, while the inverter is there to convert the stored electricity back to an AC, the acute current, which we can use for our appliances. This type of upgrade system now for me, I would feel is an kind of a complete solar system, whereby you have the energy being stored, and equally we have the direct, maybe during the day, the light, you can use that light directly during the day. That is the work of the charge controller. The charge controller is going to make you able to use the light during the day, you see. And at night you can use the power being stored from the battery to, with the help of the inverter, to convert it back to an AC, whereby we can use it for our appliances. And this is just a simple, and I know this video is not that but I know it's a simple type of a wiring diagram for an off-grid system, which anyone can do, you can follow. So it's not much, just like our video, we bring more for you. Thank you.